Hi everyone, welcome back. Just to show you these the earrings that I made, I used cream glass pearl rondelles, I used clear glass and orange glass beads, and by using eye pins I have attached the beads to make the earrings longer. With this full cluster bracelet I have used 8mm green glass splatter beads, cream and olive green glass beads. I have attached the beads to stainless steel chain by using head pins. The lobster clasp is stainless steel, so are the jump rings, and the closed jump ring is Tibetan silver. For this bracelet I have used 8mm lilac round glass beads and 80 cream check glass seed beads. I have made loops in the eye pins so I can attach each one together to make the bracelet. The findings are all silver plated. These fox earrings are so cute, made with ruby faceted glass beads and just simply attached to the fox's charms by using open jump rings, which are then attached to the loops of the eye pins. The fox charms are Tibetan silver and the findings are silver plated. Again, simply made. I have used a patent closed jump ring in which I have attached stainless steel chain and crystal check glass beads with jump rings, a simple pendant to go on a chain. This pretty necklace I have added red and clear geometric glass bead, and I have used 8mm clear glass beads and 6mm red faceted glass beads, also 80 cream check glass seed beads. This cluster pendant has been made with 8mm blue glass splatter beads, 6mm opaline glass beads and yellow gold seed beads. The chain is silver plated. I have attached the silver plated head pins to attach the beads to the chain by making loops. A gorgeous cluster pendant necklace. This photo is to show the toggle clasp I have used instead of a lobster clasp. I added white pearl glass beads and peridot glassed bicone beads to 7-strand bead-along beading wire and used 2mm crimps to secure the closed jump rings each end of the necklace. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up and comment below, and I will see you soon. Bye.